This is a UniWigs human hair wig. This is the style Serena in the color Cold Coffee Brown. This is also a 16-inch length. All right, so I've popped her off to show you the hair and the cap construction. So she has a lace top and a lace front, which I've already trimmed. I usually like to leave about 1/4 of an inch of lace in front of the hairline. And then she has a really nice size lace top. You can see I've had a middle part and I did change it to a side part. It is a really good size lace top so that you do have that variety with where you want to part your wig. This is Cold Coffee Brown, which is like a light brown with some dimension. So this is in natural light. I'm right by a window. It is so pretty. This hair is so soft. It is human hair, Remy hair. And again, this is the gorgeous color Cold Coffee Brown. So now I'm going to show you exactly how I put my wig on. Now, when you have a lace front, you want to be really careful that you don't pull on your lace when you're putting on your wig. So how I do it is I always hold the nape of my wig and then I kind of aim my forehead toward the middle of the wig and dive in, if that makes sense. So when you first put it on, the wig is going to be a lot more forward than where you're going to want it to be. Now, I have played around with this wig a lot already. I've been wearing it. So it came with a middle part and I have moved it to a side part. It's super easy to change your part. So I'm just gonna go section by section. And it all depends on what kind of curl you want. So if you want those like bigger, bouncier curls, obviously you're gonna use a larger curling iron. I'm gonna go ahead and curl the rest of my head and I will show you the finished product. All right, so I just curled her and how pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I really liked it straight and sleek, but it is a really pretty curl too. So I will show you side, back. So this piece is really versatile because again, you can get that sleek straight look. You can wear it curly. I think too, you could probably even do like a pretty low pony. Just a really, really pretty piece, great density for warmer weather. So spring and summer, I think I'll be getting a lot of wear out of this.